Hello and welcome back everybody to this Iron Man ScratchJr game tutorial. So in this one I'm going to show you how to make this Iron Man game using the stock characters. First of all, we've got Iron Man, which again I have adapted the ScratchJr cat. If you need a tutorial on how to do this, please let me know in the comments and I'll show you how to make Iron Man or the cat into Iron Man. Essentially it's recolouring a couple of yellow circles and then a white triangle on the chest. The other characters are infinity stones. Now the idea is for Iron Man to collect the infinity stones. So I've got the different coloured ones. I did a bit of research. There they are, and these essentially are just basically a bit of a blob there, and then I coloured them in the different colours. And then finally, you've got your joypad, the orange one, red and yellow squares. They send the corresponding message to Iron Man. Oh, and here you can see in the Iron Man code, if you press the orange one, Iron Man moves left, red moves right, and yellow is a jump. Now, the coding for the Infinity Stones are like this. So essentially we want them to, they're currently disappeared, we want them to reappear, then slowly come down and have a little bounce at the bottom. So if I show you the red one first, let me move Iron Man out of the way, it falls down and then bounces, just makes it a little more realistic. It also will rotate. This is what this green, this bit of code is. So simultaneous code, it rotates. And then once it's touched, it disappears, i.e. Iron Man has collected it. So the code here is the same for the Infinity Stones, but they do, the addition is this time wait block here, which allows them to fall down in different times. I did it in different orders, so you can see the time is slightly different there. The interesting one is, or the only difference here, is the last one to fall is the last one that hopefully Iron Man will collect. And once he collects that one, it changes the scene to this, which is basically Iron Man going backwards and forwards, being really happy with the Infinity Stones all around him, and they are rotating to make it look like they are hovering around him. So really nice little game here, lots of skills to learn. Right, let's have another run through. So full screen, green flag to start. There we go, the red one, let's collect that one. Jump to try and get the orange one, yellow one. And then once we get this one, it's going to change to the final screen. There we go. Please let me know if you've got any questions. Leave a comment below. I hope you enjoy making this one. Have a great time, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.